Okay, so since the last video was a little bit long, most videos are only supposed to be about 5 minutes, and that one was 15, so I apologize if you are having a little bit of a tough time working your way through that one. That video does have a few more instructions about what I want from the writing in the blog, but this one is just going to be completely about how to get pictures and links and bullet points and wrapping around text. So for the images, for those of you that might want to use this instead, just to get logos and all of that good stuff into Word, you can just Google image search East Texas Food Bank. You can Google image search the social media icons, and just right-clicking and saying Save Image As long as it is an actual image, like a PNG or a JPEG file, you should be good to go as far as getting it into Word. Once you've saved the image somewhere on your computer, I've saved it to my desktop, then you can just say Insert, Pictures, and again, since I've saved it to my desktop, I'll just go ahead and grab that. So East Texas Food Bank, Insert. You can, drag these handles to make it bigger or smaller. Same thing for the social media icons. If I just wanted to insert those somewhere in my text, I would just go grab my social media icons, say Insert, and then just grab the handles and resize them as necessary. For any text that I want to be hyperlinked, I would just, if I wanted my name to be hyperlinked to the website, because in this scenario I am working for East Texas Food Bank, I would just highlight my name, grab the URL that I want. So I'm going to hit Control-C because I'm on a PC. It would be Command-C for any of you that want to copy anything over. You can always just right-click and say copy or paste too. But anyway, I'm going to come back to the text that I'm wanting to hyperlink. So it's highlighted. I'll right-click it and say link. It gives me recent items, so I'll just say that's what it's going to hyperlink to, is East Texas Food Bank. And for comment and subscribe and all of that good stuff that's supposed to be in your blog, if you look at the formatting on page 77, or if there are any other examples you might be able to find online, you can just link all of those to East Texas Food Bank for this assignment. As far as meeting the hyperlink requirement, I really don't care what you're hyperlinking to, as long as it is East Texas Food Bank related. Or Feeding America related, because they are somewhat of a subsidiary of East Texas Food Bank. And then as far as the text as far as the picture being wrapped around some text, so text to get wrapped around picture to show how this works. And then I probably need a little bit more, so I'm just going to do what I did in the last video and copy a little bit here, so that way we'll have a paragraph. Okay, so that should be enough text for an image to wrap around. And then again, once you download your image from Google, you should be able to just go ahead and insert it by saying Insert, going to Pictures, going to Desktop. And, the one that I downloaded was this one of everybody kind of in the ETB warehouse. And so notice that that's starting to wrap around the text in a way that I don't love. So it's kind of starting to create this awkward spacing, and it's kind of off to the side. So to get rid of that, we're going to click this little icon that pops up that looks like a a black rainbow inside of a bunch of lines. If I hit the square, for this particular text that might not work. So let me move. If I move the picture a little bit over, then it'll be, so you can in some cases move the picture over if the text is not cooperating with you as far as text wrap. But once you get the text wrap option going, you should be able to embed the picture in the way that you see on the examples, like this example and the example on page 77 in your book. And then I'll go ahead and add just a caption to that, and to add a caption, I just click the picture, and I say references, then I say insert caption, figure 1. This is not going to go away until you delete that once you have your text figured out. I'm just going to say East Texas Food Bank Workers. I'm not sure if what this is a picture of, but for right now it works. Say OK. And then you have your caption, and then I'll get rid of the figure 1 portion of this. And then it italicizes the caption. It puts it a certain distance away from the image so that you can tell it's meant to be a caption. Just for, fun, I'm just going to say copy some more of this text. And that might be incomplete, but that's fine. I'm just trying to make sure that it's still going to, it's still going to wrap around that image whenever you bring a little bit more text in. So once you have the wraparound option taken care of, you should be pretty much good to go from there on. So you see that the text continues to wrap around your picture. Obviously, you probably want the picture to be a little bit bigger so people can actually see what it's supposed to be. So you want to take care of that before making your caption. But the easiest way to do that, if you want to get rid of the wraparound text, you can just say, in line with text, which is basically, not wrapping it around at all, really. And then square will be kind of what you really want once you get all of the text where you want it to be around the picture. So that does it for including images, hyperlinks, wrapping around the image, and then captions. So the rest of it you should be able to take care of from there.